Today I'm working on my 1998 Dodge Grand Caravan, and the problem I'm having is that I cannot turn the key. The lock is stuck, and if I try to force it, what happens is I can break the key. One of the things that I have used in the past, I have used WD-40, and it has worked good for me. In this situation, what you see, you got this straw here. This straw is a little too big to go in here to open that little cylinder in there. So what I like to do is I take my key, I push it in a little bit like that, and what I do is I start spraying the WD-40 inside. And once you start doing that, what I do is I go in and out. Make sure you put enough, and you start going in and out, and you want the oil to get inside the lock. And then what you do is little by little, you start, you see it? Now, let's continue. It's still a little hard, but it did turn it. And just keep putting WD-40 inside. Usually this happens when the lock gets old or get worn out. Just keep going in and out, and there it goes. See that? So that's all to it. If your lock is stuck and you can't turn your key, try a WD-40. Later.